Hello, welcome to Help You Math. Today we're going to work on some problems to understand why we need U-Substitution method for integration. Here let's look at one problem. 4x to the third dx. We also want to look at integration 4t to the third dt. One more. 4 u to the third du. It's easy to tell that the three problems we have here are the same because it's all about the same type of format. We have a base x respect to the x. We have a base of t respect to the t. We have a base of u here respect to the u. And we have the same power, same constant in front. So for this problems we have, we can use our basic integration rule. Make sure n cannot be negative 1. Right, so we have x to the nth power dx. This will give us x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus a constant c. Just by following this, we are able to solve the problem we had. So let's just solve one of them. So that's gonna be, let's do the first one. That's integration of 4x to the third dx. We can factor out the 4, right, because it's constant. Now we have exactly the same format because we want is x to the nth power and respect to the x. So we do have x to the third, so the degree is 3 and respect to the x. Now we're gonna apply the rule right here, give us 4 times the base x, n plus 1, that's gonna be 3 plus 1 is 4 over 4 plus a constant c. 4 could be reduced. The final answer will be x to the 4th plus c. It's going to be applied to the same to my second problem for the t. That's going to be t to the 4th plus c. Also, it could be the u to the 4th plus c. Let's change the problem a little bit. Let's say I have integration, I have a constant 4 in front, but we're going to change our base right now. So the base now becomes 3x plus a 5. The question is, can we still apply our basic integration rule right here, or the formula we have here, to solve this? So the important thing about understanding this is we have x as our base. Right. However, what we have right now is 3x plus 5. This is not exactly the same base we have, so we cannot apply the basic rule to solve this problem. What can we do? So understand this problem is you have to understand if we have something called a function. So now we can consider 3x plus 5 as a function. Sometimes people use fx to define the function. When we do the integration, we can also use u to define the 3x plus 5. If we define this, the problem we have right now will becomes 4u to the third dx. Is this the same as what we have before? It's not, because what we have before we are respect to the u. What we respect right now is x. So we cannot use the basic rule again. So what we're gonna do is, the idea is using the U-substitution. So we change all the x to be u. Here I haven't changed the x yet. Now let's look closer. If we can replace the dx we have to be du, our problem will be back to the problem we have done before, because this problem we had before is able to use the basic integration rule. This is the U-substitution idea. So U-substitution idea basically is to change the variable into a different variable. This time we are using U, so that's going to be U-sub, right? We substitute original function here, 3x plus y, by a U. Then after substitution, we change everything to be U. Of course, including here, dx will be du. After that, we may able to solve it. Instead of starting from beginning, we cannot solve, and we change a variable, we are able to solve it. That's the idea of the U-substitution.